Quick, graph y equals 1/2 the absolute value of x by hand 2 different ways. This is part of the family of functions series. You will need graph paper or download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime. The first way is with what we call the absolute value dance. Normally we start at the origin, and we will here also, because 1/2 the absolute value of 0 is 0. The 1/2 factor does not affect the origin. From this point, we will do what we call the absolute value dance, modified by the factor of 1/2, that coefficient. So we're going to go right 1 up a half, where we would normally go right 1 up 1, but because of the half. Normally we go right 2 and up 2, but here we'll go right 2 only up 1, halfway. Right 3 up 1.5. And on the other side, left 1 up only a half instead of 1, because of the half. Left 2 up 1, and left 3 up 1.5. Connect the points and we get the absolute value v, and comparing that to the absolute value function, the parent function, you can see that this one is wider, it goes up slower, and the y values are halved. You look at the blue to the green, they're halved because of that 1/2. Halved here again. And notice that the slopes are positive 1/2 and negative 1/2. The second way is using a table. And so this is our absolute value table. And what we're going to do is multiply each y value by 1/2 because of that coefficient. 2 times a half is 1, so we'll plot 2, 1. 1 times a half is a half, so 1, 1/2. The origin remains unchanged here. Again, we get a half here, so negative 1 up a half, and then negative 2 up 1. Connect those points and we get the absolute value v, and also compare it to the parent function. Now you try one. Graph y equals 1/4 times the absolute value of x. Use either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this and then resume when you're finished to check your answer. And here's your answer, much wider, going up much more slowly than the parent function.